going to show you how to replace the floater on this toilet bowl. You know, I'm gonna show it to you step by step. It's very easy. Closing bar right here. This one right here. Make sure that you have to turn it off first. So this was already off when I came. This is already off, so I make sure that there's no coming out here. This is the thing. The water is out already. There's no more water. So what I'm gonna do now is to remove the extra water inside. So now it's done. You can take a look, and it's no more water inside, right there. It's empty. Now this part I'm gonna take it out, you know, and it looks like this when you open it. They call it a floater. When you open it right here, open the box. All the kit is here. The first thing to do is, like I said, you have to close this one. Now it's closed already. So this second thing, this pressure flexible hose, and you have to untighten it. You know, you can do it by hand or you can do it by pliers, right there. It's pretty easy. That will take the most 30 minutes to make sure this one, the rubber inside is still good. But it's still good, so you don't need to replace this one. And then here, look, I can take it out without using a tools. I can just by hand, right there, it's by hand, right there, and then pull it, look. Right there. It's pretty easy, huh? Very easy to remove it. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and put the other one. Okay, so now we're gonna put this right there. See that hole right there? Make sure this one is clean. I want to make sure that part right there is clean. Then you put this right there, like that, and then tighten it by hand. You don't need to tighten it so much because this is only a plastic. Actually, I'm gonna use this one right here. This one right here. This is the original part right here. So I might as well use this one. So make sure that they're together. Right there. So this is only hand tight only. You don't need to use a plier to tight this one because there's a gasket. There's like a rubber gasket right there. So I'm gonna tie it by hand. Right there. A little bit more. Okay. Okay. See, I tied it by hand only. Okay. See, right there, it's tight already. And then the second thing, this is what I'm gonna put. This one also, you don't need to tight it so much because there's a rubber there. You sometimes it's only like a hand tight only, like that. Okay, it's hand tight. Right there. Now it's gone, it's finished. And this part right here, it goes on the middle to fill up the water closet, so the toilet, in other words, in our other language. But they call it, in construction language, they call it water closet. So it goes to here, all right. Okay, this one right here goes to there, right? And then this got to be inside to fill in the water closet. There you go. It's right there. All right. So, and this is the controller. Okay, so now I think this one is still good, but it's pretty easy to remove it and to replace it. So they don't break this that much. Make sure that it's clean here, and we can still reuse this one. Okay, I'm gonna put it back right here. Look at the rubber right there. It goes right there, and then it goes on the other side. Yeah, it's pretty easy. Look, it's just like that, easy. Now I'm gonna try it now for I'm gonna open the valve right here at the bottom. I don't have a room, that's why I'm using this plier. So I'm gonna check a little bit only. Let's check, make sure that I don't have a leak here. Okay, hold on a second. I think I have a leak. So I check it. I checked this one, and it's kind of leaking. I find out the problem on this hose is, if you can see this part right here, see that part, and it's kind of the rubber is already teared, it's not good anymore, so it's time to replace it. So this is not expensive because about $4 in Home Depot. Now this is the new one now. It's better if it's a little bit longer like this, so about another 4 inches longer, because this one is all the way stretched like that, so it's not good. So it's better to have a longer one, so it have an allowance. It wouldn't look like that now. So let's go ahead and put it. That's the bottom right there. Okay, and then I'm gonna go here, the top. Remember, this is a hand tight only. You don't need a wrench to use this one. Now it's tight already. As you can see at the bottom, can you see it? It's right there. And then it's the other one. So make sure this one is tight. Okay? So I'm gonna try to use a wrench on that one. Not actually wrench. I can just use this one, because you don't need to tighten it so much, you know. Right there. It's tight right there. Tight. So I'm gonna try to open it. Let's see if it's gonna leak. I don't have a room here, that's why. There you go. Okay, so no more leaking. So I'll check it. Nothing leaking, because all the rubber, let me see here, it's already changes. Yeah. And then here, perfect. So let's try it again. Right there. Right there. Perfect. Easy, guys. Look at that. It's done. Okay, so until next time, guys. Until my next video. Now, if you like this video, you think it helps you, and please subscribe and just hit the bell, and I'll have a next video coming up. Okay. Thank you very much, and have a good day.